Very exciting day today. So I've gotten my box from Brambleberry. This is my my first actual box as a influencer, ambassador. Oh, I'm not sure what they call it. Let's see what they call it. Hold on. And I'm super excited. Oh my god, look how cute! Okay, I'm just so excited that like just being a part of this program has been a dream ever since I really started making soap, and I'm just gonna savor this for a second because this is a dream come true. Oh my god, this is really cute. Look how cute these are. Okay, I gotta look up this collection first. So we have Flowering Sage and Incense, Wildflower Breeze. I'm probably gonna like that one a lot. Ray of Sunshine, right up my alley, and Sunflower Sandalwood. My sister's gonna love that one. Okay, so let's, oh, I don't wanna hurt them. Hold on, let's get a picture. And we'll put all of our, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so blown away. I just want to thank the team at Brambleberry because this is, like I said, a dream, and this is so special, and how cute that they sent us this box with all of these little flowers that I want to save. I'm pretty sure my daughter is going to steal all of these. I don't think I'm going to get a chance to actually look at these for more than like 10 minutes. I know my child. Oh, these are so cute. And what a cool name for a collection. Bohemian Bloom. All right, we get the other little ones over here. And I like the shredded craft crinkle paper. This is actually what I use in my soap packaging too. So let's get all our flowers. All right, now let's get in here. See what's, oh, missed a flower. Oh, missed another flower. All right, let me get, hold on. Let me get a, ooh, it'll work. Another container. And we'll take this out. I'm trying to, oh my gosh, there's more flowers. There's flowers everywhere. They weren't kidding about these blooms, were they? You get a bloom and you get a bloom. Okay, so inside, look at all these, oh, these flowers. Boy. So what do we got here? We have pink cornflower. Cornflower comes in pink. I had no idea. Well, apparently it does. And I have a whole giant box of it now, or bag. And then I've got, ooh, some hemp butter. Look how squeaky. And then, what else is in here? Ooh, a sunflower hemp lotion kit. It's like they read my mind. Look how nice that is. It's so pretty. I just gotta peek. Real quick. I didn't seal it, so I'll get my scissors out. But let's just, oh my goodness, and there's more treasures. Look how cute this is. Oh, and they even have like little labels for it. All right, let me focus on the main thing here. Focus. I'm not very good at focusing sometimes, especially when I'm like this excited. And then look at all of our goodies. We have hemp body balm base, hemp lotion base. I'm gonna be so smooth. My friends are gonna be so smooth. Hemp lip balm base. And they're gonna be pushing me outside of my comfort zone. Color blocks. These are cool. Apple moss, hot pink, and sunset orange. I like that sunset orange. Okay, what else is this? It's like the never-ending box of treasures. This is amazing. Clinked. Clink wasn't probably the best noise. Here's our actual fragrance oils. Again, here's our cute little mailer with all the fragrance oils again. This is awesome. And our actual fragrance oils, which did wiggle around a little bit in transit, but nobody's loose, nobody's wet, no stains. Sorry you guys are hearing all this noise. This is raw, this is real. All right, hold on, I gotta sniff these. You guys are gonna have to just bear with me for a second here. All right, so Wildflower Breeze is the first one. I'm desperate to sniff like this very second. I will not be able to survive until I sniff this. Ooh, all right, yeah. This is actually Ray of Sunshine. Okay, so it is, this is going to sound like the weirdest description. This is where I'm not very good at this game, but you know when like you have a really good expensive shampoo and it smells like your hair fresh out of the salon, it's a beautiful day outside, you're out having like Mimi's with the girls at brunch, that's what this smells like. It's fantastic, like super fantastic. Okay, where's the Wildflower one? Here it is, Wildflower Breeze. Get the cool little tape off. Okay. This color is to light yellow, behaves well. Oh yeah, I knew I was gonna like this. This is more, it's more floral than they usually do. It's more of a freesia. I'm definitely picking up the freesia. Is that what's in the, it's in the little card? Did I remember that correctly? Let's see. Fresh Air Chamomile Freesia, Rose, Palo Santo, so also picking up Patchouli and Musk. It's definitely a more sophisticated blend. It's elegant. It's the fancy perfume that your aunt wears, that she got from like some little shop you've never heard of overseas in Europe. It's nice. I like it. Let's see, what else do we have? Sunflower Sandalwood. Let's see what we have here. This smells like a super bright, cheerful sandalwood. It's definitely a perfect name for it. It's not heavy like sandalwood is. It's definitely more of the woodsy undertone. It's really nice. And I'm sure it's the verbena I'm picking up. I like it. It's a nice light fragrance. And now here's the one that I'm not sure I'm gonna like as much, was the Flowering Sage and Incense. Mostly because I don't tend to be a huge patchouli fan. I like it in blends, like I like the Wildflower Breeze, but I don't tend to like it like when you walk into a shop that sells incense. Like it tends to smell really strong, and I get a little overwhelmed by that. So let's see. You guys get the real reaction here. So this is the Flowering Sage and Incense. Okay, I don't hate it. It's definitely got the hints of the incense undertones, but it's not the, you walk into, I'll just say at a head shop and you're immediately hit with like patchouli and dragon blood and oh, what's the other one that they always have burning in there that smells really, Nagshampa. That's the other one that smells really good, but it can be really overpowering. It's not that at all. It's lighter. It's more, you walk into like a good apothecary kind of smell. That definitely has herbs and incense in it and like cool crystals and fun things to buy, but it's not just, you know, hey, let's burn a bunch of incense because the back shop flooded and we want to cover the mildew smell. Like this smells really nice. I might like it even better in cold process actually, because usually smells like this that have like these undertones, like I'm picking up the sage, I pick up the pine. I don't really find the lavender. I do find the patchouli. I do find a little bit of the rose. I like it. I like it. Okay, so these are all my treasures. I'm gonna do a cute photo here with all of them real quick. And I'm hopping off right now. I'll be back in a little bit.